In this video, I'll show you how to display the time of day that each task starts and finishes. Did you know that Microsoft Project tracks every task at the 1 minute level? That means you can get the software to show you both the date and the time that each task starts and finishes. In this video, I'll teach you how to do that. So let's get started. Here's how to display both the date and time that each task starts and finishes in Microsoft Project. Click the File tab to display the Backstage, and then click the Options button in the Backstage to display the Project Options dialog. On the General page, click the Date Format Pick List button and choose the very first option at the top, 128:09, 12:33 p.m., and then click the OK button. Now, before we look at task start and finish times, I'm going to click the Project tab to display the project ribbon, and then I'll click Project Information to display the Project Information dialog. Here's what I wanted you to see. The start date of this project is January the 3rd, 2028, starting at 8 o'clock a.m. That means the first task in the project will be starting at 8 o'clock a.m. Now let's go ahead and drag the split bar over to the right. I'll go ahead and widen the finish column. I'll widen the start column. Put the split bar on the right edge of the finish column. Notice the first task in the project starts on January the 3rd at 8 a.m. and finishes the same day at 5 p.m. I can see that the next few tasks each start at 8 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. However, task number 4, Define Preliminary Resources, is only a 3/4 day duration. That means the task will start at 8 a.m., but it'll finish at 3 o'clock p.m., which now drives the start date of the next task at 3 p.m., goes to 3 p.m. the next day, and so forth. Now, if I go down here to task number 11, notice this task is half a day duration. It starts at 3 p.m., finishes at 10 a.m. on the next day. And I can see how Microsoft Project is carefully calculating not only the start date and finish date of each task, but it's calculating the time of day for each start and finish date. Now, after you've analyzed your project, it may drive you crazy to be seeing the dates and the times in every date-related column. So to remove that, just click File, Options again, and in the Project Options dialog, click the Date Format Pick List button and go back to the date format you like to use. I'll go back to my original 128:09. When I click the OK button, now I can narrow up the start and finish columns, and I'm back the way things were before. Hey, thanks for watching my video. You know, I always appreciate it when people leave a comment about my videos, especially a comment that includes an idea for a new video topic. So if you have a comment about anything in my video, just drop it in the comment section below and I'll get back to you right away. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.